Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the number of persons killed by the security forces since the start of the year has climbed to 74. The figure increased after 2 alleged gunmen were shot in separate incidents involving the police in 2 parishes. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
This burnt-out motor vehicle is just one sign of a dramatic but deadly incident that took place in Spring Valley Heights in St. Mary early Sunday morning. Residents who have been left frustrated by criminal elements targeting their community set the car on fire. The vehicle was a getaway car used by gunmen who had earlier robbed residents of cash, cellular phones and liquor while they were at a bar. The robbery happened around 4 a.m. Sunday. But the police say around 7 a.m., 3 hours later, they were conducting a coordinated search operation when they came under gunfire from the suspects in the robbery. The security forces challenged the gunmen, and during the exchange, 1 man was shot and killed. A Glock 9mm pistol was recovered, along with a cell phone suspected to belong to one of the robbery victims and a sum of cash. The other gunmen escaped in this motor vehicle, but later crashed here in the community.
The vehicle believed to be transporting the men, it was set ablaze by the residents, and it is completely burnt out. With the support of the Jamaica Defence Force, we led an operational response in the space where several premises believed to be the location where the other men were hiding were searched. And unfortunately, the other men, they were not held.
DSP David Blake, in the meantime, issued a warning to gangsters.
So not only criminal elements in St. Mary, but criminals from other parishes, not to believe that St. Mary is a safe haven for criminals where you can come and commit crimes and get away. The police is more motivated than ever, and we will catch you. Stay out of the parish of St. Mary and stay away from crime.
And over in the St. Andrew South Police Division, another male was shot and killed in another alleged shootout with the police. The deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Kurt Thompson of 10 Buchan Avenue in Kingston. The police say a team was conducting patrol in the New Haven community when they saw a man walking with a firearm. The man reportedly pointed the gun at the police and attempted to run. He was pursued and a shootout ensued, during which Mr. Thompson was shot and killed. A 9mm Intratec submachine gun was recovered. The police say Thompson was a known member of the Beng gang that operates out of the New Haven community. The police added that he's been linked to 2 criminal cases in the past, but he was released on both occasions. The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom has been notified of the incidents and has begun their probe. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.